Sudel Industries is a instrumentation electrical contracting firm. We started back in 1991 and we currently have 3 sites within South Australia. So from those 3 sites we're able to service all of regional and metropolitan South Australia.
Within the calibration spectrum of the work that we perform here in Adelaide, we cross over many different industry sectors, from resource and energy through to wastewater, health and medical, food and beverage and industrial calibration services. Sudel's competitive advantage, I think, is in the people that we employ, the equipment that we use to perform the calibration, and our infrastructure for being able to provide the mechanisms to notify the customer when their calibration work is due and to be able to access all their calibration reports online.
One of the first clients that we ever got was BHP. They're now Liberty One Steel. And we've held a contract with them for at least 18 years.
To maintain a long-term relationship with the customer requires good communication. And one of the things that we do is organise routine meetings with the customers to ensure that they get opportunity to discuss any projects that they have, so that we can ensure we constantly evolve our services to meet their expectations.
The Virtual Shipyard program will help us to make our processes a lot more lean. We should be able to collaborate a lot easier with our clients, and that will enable us to improve turnaround times. Majority of the primes are using this software already, so therefore for us being part of this program will enable us to have a head start on our opposition.